One day, I was having a fun time playing FIFA 19 until I noticed that Lila had 123,000 subscribers. I knew I had to do something about it. Intro. No, we're not doing that. But I am mad. But today we're going to just be looking at my FIFA team. I don't know why I'm doing it on a face cam. But let's go. So, also, guys, you say that you don't believe me that there's a Black Friday deal on FIFA. Well, when I push Ultimate Team, look. See? Black Friday starts in 18 hours and 39 minutes. And if I'm good, because usually I'm not good, I'm going to be getting some hacks opened, and I better do good. But today I'm going to show you my team, and I may do a game if I have time. So at goalkeeper we have Mandanda. I don't know if you cannot see that at all. It's like, wait for it to like get better. I'm trying to like, still not working. I guess it'll be better. So we got Mandanda. I know it's not on the face cam, so it's gonna look very bright. We have Mandanda, 83 rated. We also have Sabastic, 83 rated for goalkeeper. Center back, I'm using this dumb dude until this guy gets off a red card, 84 rated De Verhe. I have Nacho Fernandez, and then I have Coleman, Horenho, Kaita, Kagawa, Mings, Halloween Edition, Malcolm, Gyrode, and I have Di Maria. And on our bench, we have Giovinco, I don't know how to say his name, Morano, Odriozola, Dennis Suarez. Look at that hairdo. Wait, oh my gosh. Okay, and then we have Dembele. Then we have Bifauma, Liet Heb. These are rare silvers. Alison Harry and Krochan. You can't see it that much really well. Sorry about that. I don't know what I'm doing today. Remember this video. Please give me suggestions for future videos. I'm out of ideas. Well, I still am out of ideas 3 weeks later. Help me, please. You know what I like to watch it on board? It's a walkout. I made a month ago. My first ever pack opening. Let's watch it. What if we get legend though? That'd be amazing. Oh, actually no, I don't want to watch that. I never got any walkouts. That's so amazing. Oh, maybe I actually found something. This could give me flashbacks and memories of New York. Alright guys. It is nighttime. Actually no, that's gonna make me throw up. That's way too hot. Doesn't like watching me get Cristiano Ronaldo. That's not Cristiano. Who is that? Oh, it's just a 55 rated center mid, probably from a nowhere town. It's cool. An unrated phone video. I don't know when it was from, but it was taken by a phone. So highly rated.
I want some chili for breakfast. Can I also have chocolate milk with milk in my...
Oh, I've just noticed this is only 16 seconds. Let's watch something. Oh, too cringe. This one looks cool. Oh, nope, that's too pink. Too far past Easter. Too embarrassing. Watch this. Top 45, top 30, top 80, 70, 30, 30, 60. Actually, I don't think I can stay up that late. Profiled. Williamish. Free user profiled.
Oh, fine.
I made up my mind. Let's watch this video.
Hello, my name is Zachariah. I'm 6 years old. I'm in kindergarten, but I'm doing first grade.
Ah!
Dog and cat are out for a walk. They see their friend Goose. Hello, Goose, says dog and cat. Hello, dog.
Let me just pause this for a second. You can see how small I am. I don't look like I'm 6. I look like I'm 4 years old. And my voice sounds like my Chloe in a way. And that first grade book looked like it's a chapter book. And also, as you can see, the background looks way different. Oh my gosh. And the fact that I'm up at 9:40 at nighttime. I don't know if you can see it in the back corner, but it says I'm up at 9:40. I definitely really wanted to read that book. Wow.
Hello, cat, says Goose. Where are you going?
Okay, I just noticed I don't want to watch this. It's too first grade. Nothing like an old-fashioned bike ride from 3 years ago.
I am going to ride my bike all around the full circle. Here I go.
Skip for 30 seconds after. That took like 3 minutes.
No train.
Kasha. Hi guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. I don't know what that was all about. I'm bored, but I may start making my own vines. Who knows? But hope you enjoyed. Drop a like if you want to see more of these videos, and I will see you in the next one. Happy Thanksgiving and goodbye. Oh, I'm not done. Also, tomorrow I will be doing a Black Friday video on FIFA, if I don't lose it, because I have $20 worth of coins, and I'm going to be doing the Black Friday deal on FIFA, and I'll be opening up some packs. Hopefully I'll get good stuff out of that. So, until tomorrow, see you guys later. Goodbye.